Let's count nouns. We're going to learn a little bit about quantifiers, such as a few, a little, some, any, much, and many. Let's start with much. Much is used with uncountable nouns, such as milk, marmalade, money, and time. Many is used with countable nouns, such as bottles of milk, jars of marmalade, dollars, or minutes. Let's look at some examples. How much money do you have? We use much here because money is an uncountable noun. You cannot count how much money you have. It is a larger category that consists within itself things like coins, dollars, and cents. When we have a noun that's countable, for example, dollars, we use many. Let's look at this example. How many dollars do you have? Once again, we use much for uncountable nouns, and we use many for countable nouns. Now it's your turn to practice.